Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl vanessuh.vee, and I'm here with another Get Ready With Me. It's been a long time. What can I say? I've missed you guys, and I'm sorry for not uploading. I know it's lame. I don't really have a legitimate excuse. I did take a new job, not a new job, but a new position at work in August. And so it's really been kicking my butt, to be frank. And I don't know. I'm a firm believer that you make time for what's important to you. And I just really wish I would have made more time, because I feel like I've neglected you guys. And I just want to say that I love you and that I've missed you. And hopefully I'm back. Hopefully I become more consistent. I'm trying to figure out, so my hair doesn't look so crazy. But today I'm getting ready to go to a Friendsgiving at my friend's place. And so I thought, well, I'm going to be sitting in front of my vanity. Might as well, say hi to you guys. And so, I don't know, part of the reason why I haven't really been uploading lately is because I feel like I got to do the whole editing thing, and I don't feel like I have enough followers where I could just be like, oh, this is me going live, here I am. But I'm gonna try to be more consistent, like I said, because you guys do matter to me. I think ultimately a dream would be to do this full time. So I do want to increase my followers, and because I do enjoy this. So if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. And if you are, please like and share this video so that other people can find it. I want to do some sort of giveaway at 200 subs, which I have 150. So not too far. So I'm going to be doing my brows today. I'm going to go for a simple look. I'm probably low-key going to wear this shirt to the Friendsgiving. I'm going in with the Anastasia's pomade in the soft brown. Legit, it's almost gone. But that's what I'm going to be using on my brows. Maybe you guys can give me some tips on my brows, because I've been going in with this and it comes out pretty good. But I still can't get that nice fade away, and it might be because my brows are too thin or I don't have enough hair. But I'm really been trying to hone in on this skill, and they look legit, I guess, for brows from 2016. But I'm trying to get that 2019 look, and I just cannot get that ombre fade, girl. Ultimate goal is just to be myself on this channel. Somebody was commenting to me so who are you on YouTube? Is that a character you play? And I'm like, no, that's me. So I try to be myself as much as possible, but I mean, I can't be myself 100% just because YouTube would probably kick my ass off. Yes, I just stuck this in my mouth and licked it and put it on my face. Wow, I just did that on camera. So yes, I'm being myself. That's what I would normally do. Hold on.
My dogs. Hey, can y'all stop barking?
So normally they're really chill. I have a Chihuahua and a Schnauzer. Normally they're really chill, but on occasion they see somebody passing and they have zero chill. I'm gonna come back with my other brow done. All right, so I'm back with both my brows. See, that's what they look like. I'm not gonna carve them out or anything. It's been a while since I actually wore foundation. I typically don't. I do like me a face beat to the gods, but typically I don't wear foundation. I am going to be wearing some eyeshadow today, and if anybody's gonna have me show off some eyeshadow, bitch, it's gonna be Jeffree Star. If you've been sleeping under a rock or something, Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson did a collab and had the Conspiracy palette, which I sadly did not get, but here sitting for like 2 weeks or whenever it launched, yeah, like November 1st, today is like the 16th. I took my butt down to San Antonio and I went and got the mini Controversy palette. This is doing nothing. Oh, there we go. Because that's all they had. Everything else sold out so fast. I've already pulled it out of the package, so if you haven't seen it, I'm going to show it off real quick. It has 9 shades. 9 shades. And there are the names right there. I hope it's focusing. But I'm not someone who wears a lot of blue, so I'm a little shook with the blue. But right now, I think I'm going to do Cry on My Couch as a base, and then I'm going to go with Diet Root Beer, because I do think I'm going to be wearing this shirt. As I dip into this, can I just say the presses on this are so cute? As I dip into this, and they're pigmented, even this white one. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I'm excited for this Friendsgiving. I'm taking cookies and a cheese ball. But all my friends are like taking like good stuff. And the host, she's like cooking the turkey. I'm excited because I don't think I'm going to go home this Thanksgiving. But if you're excited about Thanksgiving, I guess comment down below. What is your favorite food?
Oh, a lash just fell out.
My life's over. Look at that. It's like hanging over.
Damn it. To the bitch that says I'm not real. That was real. Part of me died. I've had these lashes in like a week and I've never had lashes before. I don't know how to fucking take care of them. So, maybe I shouldn't even be wearing eyeshadow today. So now I'm going in with a dirty ass brush into the Diet Root Beer. That middle little brown shade, so cute. Oh, this does have a mirror. Hello, I could be using this mirror. Hello. Oh, I'm so excited. These shades are so pretty. Also, like, trying not to lose another lash.
So pretty. So pretty!
The shadow's so pretty. It goes on like so effortlessly. And so like, I'm barely even dabbing into the product. Barely, barely. I think that's what I'm gonna do because these dang lashes. That and well, I guess my boyfriend's purse. Maybe I'm gonna get into my boyfriend's purse over here where my pinky is. I'm gonna get a little bit of that. I'm gonna get it on a flat packing brush. And I'm living for like the little, I guess, emblem that came out for Shane. Okay, this is super shiny. This is so pretty. And not good. Look how shiny that is. Can y'all see that? Whew. This is like so beautiful. Oh, this is fire. I really wanted the Conspiracy palette and it was sold out. And then they relaunched 60,000 more and I didn't make it then either. So I like this. Then I'm gonna go with my Jackie Aina. Is that how you say her name? I think so. I used to watch her all the time. Anyways, my friend Lindsay, shout out to Lindsay, got me this palette for my birthday. It's been a couple of months. And like I told you guys, with my new position and everything, I didn't even show you this, but this palette is so beautiful. And I love the Trust Issues color for the inner eye. I don't even think that focused, but okay, or my nose. The first time I used this color, I was shook. It shook the house. Wow. So pretty. Alright guys, so I just put on a Kylie lip liner in the color, in the color Autumn. And then I covered it with a NYX Dual Chromatic Gloss. So that's what I have on my lips. And I added just a little bit of blush and highlight, a little bit of contour. And I think I'm ready to go. That being said, I'm so happy to be back. And let me know what your holiday plans are. What are you doing for Thanksgiving? Also, let me know if you have this palette and if you're loving it, or did you try to get it and the website was down and you didn't get it. Also, if you like my channel, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, love you long time. Bye. And I've really been into glosses because I finally discovered, despite how many liquid lipsticks I buy, they just dry out my lips and make my lips look so freaking crusty.